Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can create financial reports in Sage Intacct. So let's get started. Sage Intacct includes the Financial Report Writer, a powerful tool for creating and customizing financial reports based on your business needs. You can use it to build standard financial statements, such as income statements and balance sheets, as well as custom reports that track important business metrics. When creating a report, you can choose which account groups to include so that only the data you need is displayed. You can also analyze your financial information using dimensions like product lines, customer types, projects, or departments to gain deeper insights into your business performance. The report writer also lets you expand or collapse sections to show detailed account information or keep the report summarized for a cleaner view. In addition, you can customize the report columns to display actual amounts, budget figures, calculated values, or other financial data. You can even include certain non-financial information, such as customer email addresses, when needed. Once your report is complete, save it and run it anytime to quickly review your organization's financial performance. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.